So, let's talk about dividends. It's a crazy concept when you really break it down. You buy a piece of a company, a stock, because you're a part owner, they send you money. Picture a tiny slice of a giant pizza joint. Every quarter the manager walks over and hands you your share of the profits. You didn't flip a pizza or wipe a table, you just trusted the business enough to put your money where your mouth is. That's a powerful idea. Not a get-rich-quick scheme. Long-term ownership and participating in the success of real businesses that make real things, or provide real services. Over time, this isn't pocket change. This is building a machine. Dividend money buys more shares, your slice gets bigger. Next payout, your check is a little fatter. That's compounding, one of the most powerful forces. It's a slow burn, a grind. Not about one explosive stock going to the moon. It's about solid, reliable companies working for you for years, even decades. We've got a wild new tool. Artificial intelligence, AI. It's everywhere, changing the game across industries, especially finance. The market is a massive, chaotic ocean of information. News reports, earnings calls, financial statements, analyst ratings. Impossible for one person to process it all, but an AI can sift that ocean in seconds. It spots patterns and connections humans miss. Enter the AI dividend flywheel. Use tech to build the dividend machine smarter and faster. The flywheel is simple. A heavy wheel that takes effort to start. Push it once, it moves a little. Push again, it moves more. Each push builds momentum until it's unstoppable. The AI dividend flywheel applies that to your money. Each dividend payment, each reinvested dollar, is a push. AI makes each push more effective, aimed correctly, and timely. It removes guesswork and emotion, rewarding discipline and consistency. So what is this AI dividend flywheel? Let's get down to brass tacks. It's a system, a process, it's a loop that feeds itself, getting stronger and faster with every cycle. Imagine a 7-step circle. You start at the top and work your way around. When you get back to the beginning, you're in a better position, designed to grow your dividend income over the long haul, almost on autopilot. Set the right conditions and let the system do the heavy lifting. Here are the steps, the gears in the machine. First, screening, picking, buying, reinvesting. The crucial next step, monitoring, rebalancing, growth, more dividends, more shares, even more dividends. It's a self-perpetuating loop. The magic here is how AI plugs into every single one of those steps. In the old days, you'd be buried in spreadsheets. AI changes all that. AI can screen, score safety and growth, automate buying and reinvesting, watch 24/7, and help you rebalance intelligently. Before you even think about looking at a single stock or firing up an AI tool, you have to do the most important thing, figure out what the hell you're actually trying to accomplish. This is the foundational step. If you skip it or get it wrong, the whole structure you build on top of it will be shaky. You need a mission statement, a clear, simple goal. Are you a 25-year-old building a massive nest egg, or 55 seeking income in retirement? These are two completely different missions and require two different strategies. For most thinking long-term, the goal is growth. Build the flywheel and get it spinning as fast as possible. Reinvest every single penny of the dividends you receive. This is non-negotiable. The goal isn't to get a little beer money each quarter. You're not spending the golden eggs, you're using them to hatch more geese that will lay even more golden eggs. Delay gratification now for a much bigger payoff later. Get out a piece of paper or open a blank document and write it down. Make it real. My mission is to build a dividend portfolio that will generate maximum long-term growth by reinvesting 100% of all dividends for the next 20 years. That's it. Clear, measurable, a North Star. Every decision, which stocks you buy, how you manage them when you sell, should be checked against this one sentence. Does this action serve the mission? If the answer is no, you don't do it. When the market is crashing or a hot stock soars and FOMO hits, you look at your mission statement. It keeps you grounded, on the path. The market is a wild roller coaster. A written plan is like a safety harness. Don't underestimate the power of this simple exercise. Okay, you've got your mission. Now it's time to go hunting. This is where the AI really starts to shine. We need to find companies that fit our dividend growth strategy, healthy, stable, with a history of rewarding shareholders. In the past, that meant poring over data. Now AI-powered screeners do the heavy lifting. They're search engines for the stock market. You tell them what to find, they bring candidates, a massive time saver and strategic advantage. Set up the right filters. Tell the dogs what scent to follow. No chasing squirrels. At least 10 consecutive years paying dividends. Minimum yield above 2%, maximum below 7%. payout ratio under 60%. AI scans thousands in seconds and spits out a manageable list of about 50 companies. The best tools score and rank, analyze news sentiment, earnings call tone, financial health relative to peers, flagging risks and opportunities. The screener gives you the what, but you still need to understand the why. You can't just blindly buy the top-ranked stock. Do a bit of your own due diligence. Combine AI's quantitative power with your judgment. A super high yield can signal weakness. Price collapse may foreshadow a dividend cut, the classic yield trap. Modern AI can flag declining revenue, shrinking margins, or scary debt. You want a fortress with a moat, powerful brands, massive scale, unique tech, stable or growing earnings, and a history of increasing dividends. Management committed to rewarding shareholders. All right, you've done the research and have your final list of champion dividend stocks. Now it's time to build the portfolio and, most importantly, set it up to run itself. A portfolio needing constant manual intervention is doomed to fail. Life gets in the way. The key is automation. Don't overcomplicate it. 10 to 20 well-chosen stocks is plenty for diversification without overwhelm. Diversify across industries: healthcare, consumer goods, technology, financials. A simple approach. Equal amounts in each, 10,000 across 10, 1,000 in each. Advanced tools can suggest weights by risk or growth, but equal weight is simple and effective to start. The most important thing is to get started. Now for the magic. Set up a dividend reinvestment plan, or DRIP. It's usually just a checkbox per stock. When dividends hit, the brokerage automatically buys more shares, even fractional shares. This is the mechanism that makes your investment compound automatically. It's the single most important push you can give the flywheel. Next, set regular automatic contributions. Dollar cost averaging. Pick an amount you can sustain, 100, 500, and set an automatic bank transfer to buy more dividend stocks. It takes the decision-making out. You're not trying to time the market. When prices are high, you buy fewer shares. When low, you buy more. Over time, it's a proven winner. Once you've built your portfolio and set up automation, your job is not to stare at the ticker all day. That's a recipe for anxiety and bad decisions. Step back and let the machine work. You still need a guard. AI-powered alerts monitoring news and data streams 24/7. You're not looking for daily price moves, noise. You want significant events that change business health. The most important alert is a dividend cut. It's a major red flag and often a sign of deeper trouble. AI can scan releases and filings and ping you the moment it happens, so you can decide calmly. Set alerts for revenue declines, debt spikes, sentiment turns, even vocal stress on earnings calls. It's like having a team of analysts. Not to make you trade more, to give you peace of mind. When an alert comes, do quick research and act in line with your mission. The flywheel is low maintenance, not no maintenance. Once or twice a year, do a tune-up, rebalancing. Over time, positions drift. One high flyer grows to 15%, a laggard shrinks to 7%. Sell a little of your winners and buy a little of your laggards to return to target weights. It manages risk, takes profits from overextended names and reallocates to potential value. AI tools show drift, suggest precise trades and consider trading costs and tax implications. One click, and you're back in line. Imagine you start with $10,000. AI helps pick 10 solid stocks. You place 1,000 in each. Average yield is 3%. Year 1 generates $300 in dividends. With DRIP on, that 300 buys more shares automatically. In year 2, you own more shares. So even at the same rate, you earn more than 300. If companies grow dividends by 5% on average, your income accelerates. You auto-invest $200 a month. Another $2,400 a year, pushing the flywheel. After 10 years of DRIP, modest dividend growth and steady contributions, your annual income can grow from $300 to $1,500 or more. Your initial $10,000 can grow beyond $50,000. It's not magic, it's math. The slow, steady, relentless power of the flywheel, guided at every step by intelligent tools. So, that's the blueprint. The AI dividend flywheel isn't some complicated scheme. It's owning great businesses and reinvesting profits, supercharged with modern tech. Use AI to find the right stocks, automate the process, stay disciplined for the long haul. The machine does the tedious work so you can focus on the big picture and live your life. Take emotion and guesswork out of the equation. Define your mission. Use AI screeners. Apply judgment to pick champions. Build a simple, diversified portfolio. Automate reinvestment and contributions. Set up an AI watchdog. Rebalance annually. Start small. You don't need a huge pile of cash, just a clear plan and the discipline to begin. Here's your one clear step today. Open a brokerage account. At a reputable firm that offers commission-free trading and automatic dividend reinvestment. That's your first push on the flywheel, creating the arena to build your future. A real, tangible action that makes the whole thing feel possible. Then try a free AI screening tool. But it all starts with that first move. The power to change your financial future is at your fingertips with smarter tools than ever. The only question is whether you'll step up and take control. It's your move.